Hey YouTube, PA Bearded Biker here, and welcome to another edition of the show. I am in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I am at, I don't know if you can see it back there, it's called Eagle Riders Rental and Tours, and today I am renting a motorcycle, and I am riding it. Hopefully going to get about 3 states today: Nevada, Arizona, and Utah. But are you ready for this? You're not going to believe it. I am going to ride, it's not a Harley, but it is, I don't know if you can see that or not, sport bike, Yamaha R3. So I've never ridden a sport bike before, so I'm really anxious to get on this and try it. I'm gonna have some miles and hours to put it through its paces, so I'm really looking forward to that. So stay tuned, we got plenty more coming. Okay folks, this is my first ride on a sport bike, so please don't judge. Get used to the controls here a little bit. Oh.
Turn left onto Dean Martin Drive.
Okay, there we go. Alright. I got trusty Siri telling me where to go. Alright, just pulling out of Eagle Riders, a place I just found on the internet. Really easy to run a motorcycle.
Continue on Dean Martin Drive for 3/4 of a mile.
I was super impressed by how easy it was to rent this motorcycle. I made the reservation online, and the weather actually is more decent today than the day I actually scheduled it for, and I called and switched the days, and they're more than happy to help. Really friendly people. Customer service, I can't say enough for them. And if you ever are in a place where you want to rent a motorcycle, I highly recommend them. So far, I mean, I'm very pleased. I just got off the plane. They had a place for my baggage, place to put that, and got me on the road. Tell you what folks, just flying in here, I don't know if you can see these mountains in the background and stuff. That is gorgeous. So far, like I said, I'm brand new to sport bikes, so I have no idea what to expect or how these things are actually supposed to ride. Wow, look at that scenery folks. Wow. This is gorgeous. This is motorcycling here. I mean, to travel someplace,
mile, merge onto I-15 North.
To travel someplace and run a motorcycle, get on the road and explore new territory, this is what it's all about. Okay, I'm in 6th gear. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but there is quite a bit of wind. I was pretty much expecting that though. It's a different experience. I thought I'd be leaning over more, resting on my arms quite a bit more than what I am, but I'm not. I feel like I'm, semi sitting up straight, if that makes any sense. But really, really happy with this so far. It's a lot more comfortable than I thought it would be. I was actually really scared of it being so uncomfortable I would not want to ride it, and so far it's proving me wrong. So we'll see what it does on the long haul. I'm just taking it easy. I'm not out to break any speed records. Although I do need to have this back by 5 p.m. and it's, I don't know if that has a clock on it or not, but I can't see. I think that says 9 o'clock, but I know that's not right. So we're out here, we're going to put some miles down and hopefully hit three new states. Now I've already got one because you know, I've never ridden in Nevada. All right, we're coming up on the strip up here. Penn and Teller sign. This is really cool, folks. If you've never just, you know, traveled somewhere and running a motorcycle, you should do it. It's really cool. I'm out here by myself. I don't have anybody else riding with me, so, but I'm having a blast. Wow, there's looks like a new stadium they're building. That's cool, that art there. Hey, look at the horses. That's really cool. Wow. Things are building up like crazy out here. But yeah, we're gonna head 15 north, and that should take us through the upper northwest corner of Arizona. And just after that, we should hit the very tip of Utah. And then I plan to turn around and come back. All right, we're pretty much in the strip here. It's not the actual strip, but it's the interstate going around it. So far, I'm really liking this bike. And of course, you know, we're gonna have to do the demo ride, and the three things that I always look for: comfort, looks, and power. Woo! Power! Well, I gotta tell you though, this little 300 doesn't have a lot. It is a little zippy, I'll give it that, but it feels like it's revving kind of high. I feel quite a bit of vibration in the bars, and but you know, nice little bike though. Try to get around this truck. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's nice. But okay, let's go with looks first thing. I think this little bike looks great. I think it has an aggressive stance to it. I like how the headlights are shaped. I like the fairings on the side. I think it's a nice looking motorcycle. I really do. So with that, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I really like it. Let's go with comfort. The only thing that I'm feeling right now, like I said, there is some vibration in the bars. my throttle hand is hurting just a little bit, and I've only gone probably 5 or 6 miles. It's probably because I haven't been riding for quite a while, and my hand needs to get worked back into it again. But that's the only thing that I'm having an issue with. Let's talk about power. Now, like I said, this is only a 300, so you can't expect it to go 0 to 100 in 5 seconds. But with that being said, for the power that it does have, it does really well, I think. I can't really ding it for power. I mean, it's only a 300, right? So there you have it. Well, let's back up just a little bit. I didn't really give the comfort a rating. I feel very comfortable on this bike. The seat feels comfortable. I really thought my riding stance would be more leaned over than what it is. It's actually a lot more comfortable than what I thought. So in that regard, I would say comfort, I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10. It just really surprised me. Power, like I said, it's only a little 300, so you can't expect it to perform like a 1000 or anything like that. So for what it has and what it's capable of, I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Now
In a half mile, keep left to stay on I-15 North.
Now I don't have anything really to compare this with. I've never ridden a sport bike before, so I can't really compare it to anything. But
keep left to stay on I-15 North.
I know one thing. I'm not expecting this bike to perform like a bigger bike should.
Continue on I-15 North for 113 miles.
There you have it, folks. 113 more miles just to get to Utah. Now I'm going to turn around and come back on the same road. Then I'll have 3 new states that I haven't ridden in. So there you have it, folks. Like I said, my first time riding a sport bike. For looks, you got 10 out of 10. Comfort, you got 10 out of 10. And for power, I got to give it a 10 out of 10. So there you have it. I hope you like this demo ride video. I'm having a blast bringing it to you. And if this is your first time watching my channel, thanks for stopping by. And if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell icon so you get all the latest content. So I'm going to leave you with that. And you know my saying, be safe, enjoy the ride, and I'll see you out on the road out here in Nevada somewhere. Maybe Area 51. See you, folks.